welcome to another guide. Today we're doing a pretty difficult triangle in my opinion. It's Triangle of Tricky Obstacles. This was actually made by my friend, and it's pretty cool, but the last out section is GBJ. First of all, you immediately notice that there's a misalignment here. Yeah, it's pain, but you gotta jump onto this bowl, and like falling platforms and turning platforms are not marked, so there's a turning one right there. If you go this way, it's easier by a stud that wrap around. Now go into this, there's two trusses. You can jump to the second one if you want, but it's your choice. There's simple wraparound, and if I remember right, one of these are falling platform, one is the middle one. So go into the falling platform and then jump to the next one, because sometimes falling platforms can glitch and you can fall a lot faster. Anyway, this is another turning platform that goes really wacky, and this conveyor sucks, so don't worry if you do fail it. Okay, so you're probably going to be failing this conveyor a lot if you're attempting to beat this, but yeah, try to jump backwards so you can gain some momentum. And now you can either jump straight to here or go for the safer option. That's not the safer option. Now flick around and slowly go to an easier position so you can jump to this conveyor and keep jumping until you're lined up well, because they're quite fast. And now there's just some simple flicks or jumps or however you want to do them. This turning platform, and then there's another wraparound right here. It shouldn't be much of an issue. This conveyor, time it decently well considering that it's easy to fail. Now go over here, do this head hitter thing. I'm not really sure if it is. I don't think it is. And now go to floor 3. There's 5 floors, and as you can see, that is a turning platform. Now I would recommend having as less time as you can on that one thing. But turn over here and look where you're meant to go, obviously. No. And then don't do that. Anyway, at this, make sure that you ladder flick or ladder hop. That one conveyor you can easily overshoot, so be careful. This is the only obvious Canclide false part in it. There is another one on the outer section where I'll obviously indicate. And this one conveyor is pointless. It just keep jumping on it till you can jump over here. Anyway, there's just some simple cylinders. There's nothing different except to watch out, you can easily hit your head there. And this is, as you can see, another turning platform. Now there's some really awkward elevator things, so make sure that you face it so you can climb it. Line yourself up near the edge and then turn in. It isn't that tight considering you can just touch it with your hand. And now there's another conveyor. There's a lot of conveyors in this, and I think another turning platform, right? Yes. Make sure you get to like the top of the turning platform and then jump up to get the best advantage of it. Like, when I mean like the top, I mean like close to it at least. Because, yeah, you'll have the highest chance. Anyway, on this conveyor, you can do this, and you have to do this high jump. So stare at the wall and then quickly, like, jump upwards and turn in to climb that one part. That's how I do it. You can see, this one part is just another random pointless conveyor. Now just slowly go around. Almost fell there, be careful. And once you're over here, you can go in this one conveyor. There is an annoying pointless elevator. The creator, who's my friend, literally said that. Anyway, now you have to go on here and up here, and this one wraparound, what has been nerfed. And now just turn in, be careful, this is some of the harder parts of it. And you can just be slow. Except for these, what? That can happen. Okay, so on this outside, if you fall in this first section, it's fine, but if you fall in any other section, it's not, because you can just high jump up. Anyway, long jump across to there, just go on here. This is the second easiest section. Go into the spinner, jump to that one part, go into these wedges, should be fairly easy, and all these other darker parts are teleporters. Just try to jump onto the upper part. Now you'll be GBJ'd if you fall, so that's fun. Now just make sure you time that one conveyor jump, do this wraparound. It is a little bit tight, and this is the hardest jump of this outside section. And there we go. Just treat it as a long jump, and you probably will make it. Depends how long you're treating it as, but you should be treating it as an 11 stud. Anyway, there is one miscolored part. it's quite obvious, and it's this one right here. So jump onto this normal part, what is the same color as the rest of the obstacles, to make it. These could also be decently far, and try not to walk off. So as soon as you're near that one part, stop walking. And also, is there one Can Collide false part? I think there is here. No, they're both Can Collide. Yeah, they are both Can Collide true. That's misinformation, sorry. Anyway, now jump to this, and boom. There we go. I beat it again. Just ignore that. The reason why it says that is because I beat it yesterday, and that was when the difficulty polls weren't up. But anyway, GG, thank you for watching.